Hi, good evening, one and all. Today now I will discuss about the unit 8 discussion in data architecture for business analytics. Now I will discuss about the non-relational databases. Non-relational databases are quietly opposite to the relational databases. Mainly, the non-relational databases are not in the form of tables like relational databases, and these are in the form of documentation oriented instead of the rows and columns. Mainly, the data is in the form of the tables, that is rows and columns. Every data and every value and every these are under these. Relational database have documents can contain complex structures with multiple levels of nesting, making them ideal for applications required to be stored in a tabular form. Mainly in these non-relational databases, the data is in the form of document orientation, and this document orientation can consist of the complex data structures with multiple levels of nesting, making them ideal for applications that require to be stored in a non-tabular form. Main non-relational databases are also offers features such as auto sharing, which allows the database to automatically distribute data across nodes, servers, improving scalability and performance. And also, additionally, they often possess features such as horizontal scalability, high availability, and automatic replication. Mainly, the data in the non-relational databases are the advantage and the main feature is auto sharing, and which allows this database to automatically distribute data across models, across nodes and servers, improving scalability and performance. Additionally, they often possess features such as horizontal scalability, high availability, and automatic replication. They are often used to store and process unstructured data such as from social media or web applications. They are also more flexible than relational databases, allowing for easier modification and data manipulation. For the data manipulation and easier modification in the data, the non-relational databases is more better and more flexible than the relational databases. And there is some more non-relational databases used in the market like MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis. And there is a pros of non-relational databases like increased scalability and flexibility, improved query and analysis speed, reduced complexity, more efficient data storage, reduced costs. The one of the main pros of non-relational database is for the efficient data storage. It can have ability to store the more data in the non-relational databases, and also to reduce the cost is also the main pros of the non-relational databases. And there is also a cons of non-relational databases. It's a lack of SQL support because in the SQL there is mainly the data is in the form of tables like rows and columns. It's SQL, and in the non-relational databases there is a no SQL, that is data is not in the form of tables. It is a main lack, and also unfamiliarity, and also security, and also the main disadvantage of the non-relational database is also security. When we compare to security, the non-relational databases have higher security, not, and relational databases have only high security than the non-relational databases. Uh, Non-relational database is also known as the NoSQL, and relational database is also known as the SQL, that is structured query language and no structured query language. And overall, finally, I believe that the advantages of using a non-relational database outweigh the disadvantages. Therefore, I recommended that we move our data to a non-relational databases because the it has the better to handle or maintain or changes or scalability for the large amount of data. With the right implementation and maintenance, we can take advantage of the increased flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness of the data these databases. The I also said in the prawns of the non-relational database is much better than the relational databases. So final I choose non-relational databases to handle the more data. Yeah, thank you.